How does LinkedIn work for a job search? That's the question for today. I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter, and I coach people, and today I'm going to start off with a job search question from someone. It works in many different ways. Number one is, how are people going to find out about you unless there's a way for them to do that? LinkedIn is a platform where recruiters, both corporate and third party, hiring managers, anyone can find out about the basics of what you do. That's not just simply your LinkedIn profile, it's your thinking and ideas through what you write, what you share, what you create in the way of video and audio content that's shared on the platform. It's think of it like Google. It is Google from a professional sense that allows people to learn about you. From your vantage point, obviously there are job ads there. Obviously there are groups where you can network with people that you don't know. But it really starts on the other side of the equation, where people you don't know can find out about you and thus be able to reach out to you because they have an opportunity that makes sense. How do they find out? LinkedIn sells a product called LinkedIn Recruiter to corporate and third-party recruiting firms that allows them to search the entire database and contact you. Contact you through the platform, or obviously they can email you or pick up the phone and call you. But suddenly the entire world is a database for people through LinkedIn. So understand, LinkedIn is a way that you can be discovered by people when they have an opportunity. It's also a way that you can find out about opportunities through advertising, networking, groups, a whole host of different ways. I'm Jeff Altman. Hope you found this helpful. My website is thebiggamehunter.us. Go there and go exploring. There's a lot there to help you. Also want to mention, I've got an app now for Amazon, Fire TV, Fire Stick, soon to be on Roku, and available as Job Search TV. That's an app for the Amazon platform, soon for Roku. Or you can watch me on bingenetworks.tv if you have an Apple TV or any number of smart TV sets. Also going to mention, if we're not connected on LinkedIn, send a connection request to me at linkedin.com/in/the Big Game Hunter. Once we're connected, I'd love to hear from you. Know that you have, that you've watched this video. It allows me to know that I'm helping some folks. Have a terrific day and be great. Take care.